1. Algeria Chabi Dance, a popular urban dance influenced by the rhythms of traditional Algerian music. 2. Angola Kuduro, a fast-paced, energetic dance that originated in the urban areas of Angola. 3. Benin Zangbeto, a dance performed to honor the traditional spirits of the Fon people.
Let's give him a hand.
4. Botswana Kalagadi Dance, a traditional dance performed by the Kalagadi people, known for its powerful movements. 5. Burkina Faso Balafon Dance, a dance that accompanies the traditional balafon, a wooden percussion instrument. 6. Burundi Intour Dance, a ceremonial dance traditionally performed by warriors, known for its high energy and athletic movements. 7. Cabo Verde Coladera, a traditional dance accompanied by rhythms from Cabo Verdean music, mixing African and European influences. 8. Cameroon Makassa, a popular dance originating from the Douala people, characterized by its slow, sensual movements. 9. Central African Republic, Baya Dance, a dance performed by the Baya ethnic group, often accompanied by traditional drumming. 10. Chad Shua Dance, a traditional dance of the Shua Arab people, often performed at weddings and festivals. 11. Comoros Mwali Dance, a traditional dance from the island of Mwali, influenced by Swahili culture. 12. Congo, Republic of the Congo. Ngoma, a traditional dance performed by the Congo people, often involving drumming and chanting. 13. Democratic Republic of the Congo, Rumba, Sukaus, a globally influential dance originating from Congo, characterized by its smooth and rhythmic movements. 14. Djibouti Sini Dance, a traditional dance performed by the Afar and Isa Somali people of Djibouti. 15. Egypt, Rock Sharki Belly Dance, a famous dance style with roots in the Middle East, known for its fluid circular movements of the hips. 16. 16. Equatorial Guinea Bangu Dance, a traditional dance from the Fang people performed during festivals and celebrations. 17. Eritrea Tigrinya Dance, a popular dance among the Tigrinya people, with rhythmic foot movements and clapping. 18. Eswatini Indlamu, a traditional warrior dance that is performed during ceremonies and celebrations. 19. Ethiopia Eskista, a unique Ethiopian dance focused on shoulder movements and body isolation. 20. Gabon Bwiti Dance, a ceremonial dance performed by the Bwiti people, often during religious rituals. 21. Gambia Yola Dance, a traditional dance of the Yola people, characterized by rhythmic footwork and vibrant movements. 22. Ghana Agbadza, a traditional dance performed by the Yu people, known for its energetic movements and vibrant drumming. 23. Guinea Dundunba, a powerful and rhythmic dance performed to the beats of the Dundun drum, part of Guinean folklore. 24. Guinea-Bissau Chokwe Dance, a traditional dance of the Chokwe people, characterized by lively footwork and rhythmic chanting. 25. Ivory Coast Mapuka, a dance known for its provocative hip movements, originating from the southeastern part of the country. 26. Kenya Isukuti, a fast-paced and energetic dance performed by the Luya people, often during celebrations. 27. Lesotho Mokibo Dance, a traditional dance of the Basotho people, performed to celebrate harvest and victories. 28. Liberia Palava Dance, a dance that combines storytelling and rhythmic movements, popular in Liberia's traditional ceremonies. 29. Libya Rocks Baladi, a form of belly dance performed to traditional Libyan music, characterized by hip and torso movements. 30. Madagascar Hiragasi, a traditional Malagasy dance accompanied by music and storytelling. 31. 31. Malawi Chopa Dance, a traditional dance from the Chewa people, typically performed at social events and ceremonies. 32. Mali Sabar, a vibrant and rhythmic dance from the Bambara people, typically performed to drum beats. 33. Mauritania Erfoud Dance, a Berber-influenced dance performed during ceremonial occasions and feasts. 34. Mauritius Sega Dance, a popular dance form performed to the rhythms of the Sega drum, often during celebrations. 35. Morocco Guedra, a traditional Berber dance involving powerful body movements and spiritual chanting. 36. Mozambique Mapuko, a ritualistic dance performed by the Makonde people, typically involving masks and dramatic movements. 37. Namibia Oshiwambo Dance, a traditional dance of the Oshiwambo people, performed during ceremonies and festivals. 38. Niger Jerma Dance, a dance of the Jerma people, often performed to honor ancestors during rituals. 39. Nigeria Afrobeat Dance, a modern and energetic dance style that accompanies the Afrobeat genre, popular worldwide.
Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow.
40. Rwanda Interdance, a dance performed by the Rwandan royal court, characterized by strong military-style movements. 41. Sao Tome and Principe T. Chiloli Dance, a traditional dance often performed during theatrical performances, involving music and dramatization. 42. Senegal Sabar, a lively, energetic dance of the Wolof people, performed to the beats of drums during festive occasions. 43. Seychelles Mutia, a traditional dance influenced by African, Malagasy, and European styles, known for its sensual hip movements. 44. Sierra Leone Temne Dance, a dance of the Temne people, often performed to celebrate harvest and other important community events. 45. Somalia Hodan Dance, a traditional Somali dance characterized by rhythmic movements and storytelling through dance. 46. South Africa, Pansela, a modern urban dance style that emerged in South Africa, known for its fast footwork and hip-hop influence. 47. South Sudan, Dinka dance, a dance of the Dinka people, often performed during rituals and celebrations. 48. Sudan, Nubian dance, a traditional dance that reflects the rich history and culture of the Nubian people.
The first edition. More editions are yet to come, inshallah.
49. Tanzania Zanzibar dance, a popular coastal dance influenced by Swahili culture and Islamic traditions, often performed with vibrant drum beats. 50. Togo Agbadza, a traditional dance of the Yu people performed during celebrations and community events. 51. Tunisia Rocks Tunisian, a style of belly dancing specific to Tunisia, featuring fluid hip and torso movements. 52. Uganda Bakasimba, a lively and energetic dance of the Baganda people, often performed to celebrate events. 53. Zambia Nshima dance, a ceremonial dance performed by the Bemba people, often in conjunction with traditional food preparation. 54. Zimbabwe Jerusalema, a traditional dance of the Shona people, known for its graceful movements and rhythmic drumming.